Hello everyone and welcome back to VLADA'S place. In this video, I'm going to show quick instructions on how to care for the sourdough starter. All you need is a starter, flour, and water. I've been baking bread since I was 10, but for some reason I thought that baking sourdough bread required special skills. Well, I was wrong. So the way we're going to do this is simply transfer the starter, and you see the starter is really nice and bubbly. That means bacteria inside is very active. So I want to clean the old dish and I want to feed it, let it reactivate again. So just scoop it out like this and scoop as much as you can. We're going to add some flour and water. So there are some people who will give you precise measurement of regarding the amount of the starter, regarding the amount of flour and water. What I have learned, and I've been taking care of this culture for over a year, it's that it doesn't have to be precise. What you need is approximately the same amount of starter, same amount of flour, and about the same amount of water. The goal here is to create nice pasty texture. So if you come closer, you can tell the thickness of this texture. I might add just a little bit more water, and then just mix it well. Then we're going to leave it on a kitchen counter for maybe another hour or two, depending on the temperature, until this mixture now creates those bubbles that we had in this dish before. So basically, we want a culture to reactivate, and then we're going to put it in a fridge until we're ready to bake a sourdough. So this is a simple video on how to care for the sourdough culture. In our next video, I'm gonna take you a step further, and I'm gonna show you how to make a sourdough bread at home. Next step is simply allowing time for the starter to reactivate and double in size. This process might take an hour or 3, but when it does, it should look like this. And now we are ready to store it in a fridge until we are ready to bake our sourdough bread. Stored in fridge, sourdough starter is good for the next couple of 3 days, after which you want to take it out, divide it, use some of that for the bread or share it, and again save a small portion and feed it like we just fed this starter. Let it rise and then put it back in the fridge until the next time. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you have a moment, I would greatly appreciate if you would check out my charitable organization, which is focused on reconnecting families and communities in America. My mission in life is to preserve and to pass on some important life skills onto the next generation. In these challenging times, it is very important for us and our youth especially to stay connected to each other and to stay connected to the nature. I hope you will subscribe and give us your likes. Till then, please take good care of yourself and those around you.